What's up guys, I'm back with another haul video. It's my first time shopping from these two online websites. One is Miss Amour and one is Lulu and Sky. If you guys are interested in knowing what are my first impressions and my final take on these two online shopping websites, then please continue watching.
What a wonderful world.
First, let's talk about Miss Amour. I hope that's how it's pronounced. I'm not really sure. So I'd always see all these big influencers sporting clothes from Miss Amour, and it got me really curious to see if it's actually all that good. So I went ahead and bought myself a couple of things just to try it out and see what the hype is about. The general outlook I got of Miss Amour is that the prices were not too high or too low. They were sort of mid-range, but I did notice they carry out a lot of sales. So I think it's best to shop from there when they have really good deals going on, which is what even I did. So let's talk about the first top that I got from Miss Amour. This is how the top looks. It's a plain white boxy t-shirt and it has this crisscross neckline which looks really cute. Of course, these rose patches along the border of the v-neck. This is completely my style. I love loose fits like this. Got this in the size medium. I think they did carry out smaller sizes. I'm usually an extra small or a small in most of the clothing brands, but I just got medium because I wanted the fit to be a little more loose than usual. It is a white t-shirt, so it is slightly translucent like most of the white t-shirts, so I can't really complain about that. And the best part is that this was just for rupees 250. There was actually a deal going on where you could get two t-shirts for 500 rupees, hence this one is 250, and the next one that I'm showing was also 250 rupees, and that's just this really simple t-shirt which has influencer written like in big font. I just find this really cute and I love the color combination of this turquoise blue and this purple font. It looks very bright and vibrant, and I got this in a large because I wanted again like an oversized fit so that I could just tuck it in my jeans and just casually wear this out. Sleeves are already folded and they have these cutouts and rips which gives it a slightly edgy look. Even the neckline has slight rips and cuts here and there. Again, the quality is pretty good, and for 250 rupees it's really good. Now the last top that I got from Miss Amour is my favorite perhaps, and it's this really cute off-shoulder top. It has these navy blue and white stripes all over it, and of course it has roses and the head of a tiger all over. It gives me like a sort of Gucci vibe because of the tiger, and I just find it really adorable and very chic. It is 3/4. It has this elastic at the end of the sleeve, and of course the neckline is elastic because it is an off-shoulder top. Even the waistband has elastics. The material is synthetic, but it doesn't look cheap at all. In fact, it looks quite the opposite. This one was for like 390 or 400. Again, a very good deal considering how chic and cute this top is. So those were the only things that I got from Miss Amour. Like I said, I didn't shop a lot because I just wanted to first test it out, test the waters and see if you know what I mean. I'm really impressed with the quality of clothes. Payment was smooth. I got the clothes within 1 week. So I think all in all, I'm pretty impressed by Miss Amour, and I can't wait to get my hands on few of the things that I've been eyeing for some time. Like they have really cute co-ord sets and loungewear co-ord sets that I really want to buy. So yeah, Miss Amour definitely gets a big thumbs up from me. Now coming to Lulu and Sky, I have to admit that I wasn't really sure if it's a legit site because the prices at which they were selling really good looking crazy clothes was just unbelievable. Like they were so cheap, and I was honestly very scared to even place an order, but I thought if it turns out bad, I can still make a video and warn you guys about it, and if it turns out good, then great, I can still make a video and let you guys know about it. So because of my fear, I actually just ended up buying two dresses. The first dress is this really pretty, this baby pink dress which has white sweater t-shirt attached to the pink dress, so it's not like two separate pieces. This fit is called like a skater dress, where it's tight in your upper torso and sort of narrows down to your waist and then flares out from below your waist, and I think it just gives a very girly and a fun vibe to it. It has a long zipper at the back, and if you observe it carefully, it has these really subtle blush pink stripes all over it. The sweetheart neckline. I also love that the neckline has this black and white stripes. The quality of this dress has me shook. As good as like a Zara or like any of the even higher end brands. I wish you could feel the fabric through the screen, and that's not even the most shocking part. The most shocking part is that this was for 400 rupees. So yeah, let's just think about that for a while. I will show you guys the next dress till then. This is how the next dress looks. It's again a skater dress. This is perfect for summer. It has these spaghetti straps, a very deep neck with this really pretty lace detailing in the front. The back again is slightly deep and it has this zipper behind. These are just really pretty pretty white flowers all over the dress. Again, the fabric is very different from the one I showed you previously. That one is more thicker and feels more expensive. This one doesn't feel as expensive as that, but the quality is still really good. Unlike like Shein or Romwe, where I've shopped a lot from and I've done numerous haul videos. If you haven't watched it, I will just link a couple of videos here. Most of the clothes that you get from those websites are pretty cheap, of course, but the quality is also not the best, and the fabric is mostly, translucent, which just makes your life much harder. But surprisingly, both the dresses, even this one, the fabric is very thick, so it's not going to be translucent at all. You can literally just wear this by itself and walk out of your house safe, knowing that it's not going to show things that you don't want to show to the public. This was also for 400 rupees, so both were like really cheap. I think I forgot to mention that I got both the dresses in the size small. I'm honestly just really shocked. Like, I wasn't even sure if Lulu & Sky is legit as a website. And after I bought these two dresses, as you guys saw, it was literally the opposite of what I expected. I really want to know if you guys have shopped from there and what your experience has been. But from my own personal experience, the fact that the quality of the clothes are so good, it looks exactly like the picture. And of course, it's super cheap, and I got the order within a week again. So yeah, it's not a surprise that I'm going to give Lulu & Sky a big thumbs up. I'm thoroughly impressed. So yeah, that's my really small quick review and first impressions of Miss Amour and Lulu & Sky. Let me know in the comments down below if you've shopped from these websites and what you think about it. And also let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do more hauls, maybe from Miss Amour or Lulu & Sky. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday. Also click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I do upload these new videos. And that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed.
What a wonderful world.